Going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Told you we're going to be daily uploading every day this month, so that's what we're doing. As you guys see, I went ahead and laid the blanket down on top of the heads and stuff down there. So we got to get this block cleaned, painted, and all that good stuff. And y'all can guess what color we're painting this block. Let me know down in the comments. Pause the video right now, let me know in the comments. So I feel like this color's kind of became the signature color for this car. But allergies are kicking my butt, but we're going to keep pushing through it and get going with these videos and stuff. So yeah, smash that like button, guys. Comment below what color you think we're going to be doing this. If you're not yet subbed, stop sleeping. Come on, that's all I want for Christmas, guys. Is for y'all to sub to the channel. Getting a phone call. Don't know this person. Decline. But yeah, I got everything I'm gonna need to get this block cleaned up back here. I'm gonna do it without a pressure washer. There's ways to do it. So yeah, wire wheel, some purple power, rags, gloves so you don't get dirty. That's about it. Let's get to it. Purple power. Ha ha ha. Let's do it. That's the reason why I put that there, so you don't mess anything up. And this is really just purple power, so not really too worried about getting it on the heads and stuff, because those are spare heads, and they gotta get cleaned anyways as well. Milwaukee, let's get it. So as you can see, we flip the engine around, and this is the opposite side. We'll go ahead and spray this really good, let it sit for a little, and then go ahead and do the same procedure. I might have to take a break though, because 2 o'clock Argentina plays today against Australia. I'm a soccer fan. It's the only sport I really watch other than like drifting and like car stuff. But yeah, if Argentina beats Australia, they're in the semifinals, baby. You guys watch soccer, let me know what your team is down in the comments. Alright guys, so get the block cleaned up and everything the best that I can with what I have. There's still little spots and like little corners and stuff in here, up there, deep in here, but for the most part everything is good, clean on both ends. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit here and dry for a little bit. Then no hair dryer this time. I'm gonna use the heat gun, get some heat on one side and everything, make sure it's good and dry. Then we can start laying the paint and everything down. Alright, so the block is completely dried now. Let it sit for a little bit. Started watching the game. Now, I'm going to go ahead and tape off the top portion. Okay, so we're using the hairdryer because I guess the heat gun doesn't work, so get some heat on this block. Y'all guessed wrinkle black? You were right. Alright guys, let's do it. Alright guys, so that's the first coat. I went ahead around it and put some heat on it. So go ahead and do another coat. Go from there. Guys, check this out. Ooh. Look at that wrinkle, boy. A couple areas like right here, but it's still kind of got to dry. And a little bit right here and right here. But like I said, it's still kind of wet. So obviously you got to cure some more. That is amazing though. Now I'm going to give this about 10-15 more minutes to dry. Then I'm going to flip it. And we'll do the other side as well. That's game, baby. That's game. Let's go. Argentina beat y'all. Yes, sir. Here we go. Let's get it, baby. Guys, look at this. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Yes, sir. Like I said, right here, still dull looking. Certain areas. Here's wrinkled a little bit. Here's wrinkled a little bit. I could probably just lay a little more paint here, or put some heat in it because it's cold, you know. But it's all right. You won't really see that with the head on there. But for the most part, sheesh, that looks good. So let's go ahead and rotate this puppy and do the back side. Ooh. Let me show you. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and let this sit for 15-20 minutes and see how she's drying, and probably lay another coat on this. While we're waiting, guys, you can go ahead and just smash that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subbed. It means the world to me. And yeah, that's all I really want for Christmas, guys. So show me you guys want to keep seeing this content and building this car by smashing the like button, subbing to the channel, leaving a comment below. Don't forget about the giveaway. Every $5 you spend is one entry in the giveaway to win yourself an oil catch can for your race car, track car, drift car, street car, whatever it is. Link down in the description for that. Check it out. Obviously it's not fully cured yet. It's still gonna wrinkle a lot more, but it came out great. Oh yeah. Let's go ahead and flip this over. See how the other side looks. Check this one out. Oh my God. It's wrinkling in here still some more. Here where it wasn't wrinkled, it wrinkled up. Still, like I said, kind of a little wet. This stuff takes a few hours to fully cure, you know. But guys, look at that. I am stoked on this. I'm excited. Let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think, how this turned out. If I sound like crap, I'm sorry. Freaking allergies are kicking my butt. But yeah, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video, guys. We got it cleaned up and painted, wrinkle black and everything. I love this color. I love wrinkle black. It's so awesome. Once the built engine's together, ready to go in the car, we're gonna do wrinkle red on the valve cover. It's gonna look good. Told you guys we're gonna be daily uploading That's what we're doing this whole entire month. So if you guys don't want to miss an upload, make sure you have post notifications on. If you guys are stoked for the daily uploads and the progress on this, smash that like button. If you're not yet subbed, guys, please stop sleeping. Hit the subscribe button and become a CDG fam. With that being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end it here. Get this video edited up and ready for it to be posted for you guys. So you guys can see what happened, you know. But that's going to be it, guys. Peace out and God bless.